Hello, I'm the Big Bad Wolf, and I'm here to do your kit unboxing.
Just kidding. It's Miss Emily, and I'm here to do your kit unboxing. And you'll see why I was wearing the wolf mask in a minute. But before, I have the Talking Animals kit. Let's see what's inside. And of course, our instructions. So let's see what we need to do this week. Activity 1 is catch a fish. So you have some fish, you have some laminating sheets, and you also have some plain white paper so you can actually draw your own, perhaps some more magical and mysterious sea creatures. Remember, in a lot of fairy tales, if you catch a talking fish, it will grant your wish. So once you've designed your fish and sealed them between these laminated sheets so they are kind of waterproof, all you have to do is attach your magnet to your fishing pole using the twine, and then you'll have a magnetic fish game that you can do in your inflatable pool in the backyard, in your kitchen sink. I have an example here. Oh, I almost forgot, and this is not in the instructions because we forgot. The paper clips need to go on the sea creatures. That is what the magnet will attach to. So you can make this harder or easier for yourself. Oh, I just pulled my magnet out of my twine. A little tape might help here as well, but there we go. Makes this harder or easier is how long your twine is, and also, I got a fish! Whether you do it with your eyes open or closed. So that's our first activity. Let's see what's next. Become a wolf. So you have the beginnings of a mask here, and you have some things to cut out and some things to fold. And if you follow the instructions, you will end up with a wolf mask that's even creepier than mine because yours will have teeth. I left the teeth off mine. And I encourage you to be the big bad wolf, or maybe the big good wolf. Make up your own stories and act them out. Okay, one more activity. Play a bird song. So that's what all of these other straws are for. You're going to want to cut them each into 2 sections and try to make each of the sections a different length. If you want, you can use your ruler to make sure that you mark ahead of time all the different lengths. When you cut them, you are going to put them down on your tape. I didn't mention that. You all got some pretty cool washi tape. Very useful for making your mask. Also useful for putting a piece down and putting your straw sections on top of it from smallest to largest. And you're also, I have a very thin craft stick here. You have a thicker one that you can use. Again, tape it on to make sure that your pipe stays together, and then make up your own song. See if the birds talk back to you. All right, that's all for this week. I hope you have an awesome time with your Talking Animals kit. Thanks for tuning in.